Okay, children, changing the subject of a formula, part 2. Okay, now open the link, children, in the description. Second page, you open 60th sum. Make t as a subject in n is equal to s into under root of 2t by d. 2t by d. Okay, children, s is not inside. Children, s if inside means it is different, children. It is different, but s is outside. S is outside. S is outside. Okay, children. So first here it is into means here it becomes division. N by s is equal to under root of 2t by d, children. Squaring on both sides. Root if it comes here it will become square, children. Okay, so n square by s square is equal to 2t by d. D will go. N square d by s square is equal to 2t. 2 will come down. So t is equal to n square d by 2s square. N square d by 2s square. This is first sum. Okay, children, I hope you understood. Some people may get doubt. Sir, if S is there here, what we should do? You may get doubt. If suppose S is there here, how to do the same sum? If S is there inside, N is equal to S root of like this, 2t by d. Okay, children, then that will be a different issue, children. Suppose, see, children, here 2 is there. Here 2 is there with square root. Square root means here square will come. Here cube root is there means if I remove this cube root, here 3 will come. Suppose here 4 is there. Fourth root, if I remove that 4, here 4 will come. So suppose s is there inside. Then if I remove this s, children, here s will come. Okay, are you able to understand? S will come here. So n to the power of s is equal to 2t by d. Okay, children, n to the power of s. Now d goes here. N to the power of s d is equal to t. 2 will come down. T is equal to n to the power of s by 2. Like that, children. If you know the sums basics, you can do whatever may be the sum. Happily, you can do the sum, children. That is the basics of the sum. Okay. Now, apart from this, children, then we'll go to next sum. 61st question. 61st question. What is the 61st question? You make a as the subject. S is equal to ut plus half 80 square. Anyone wants to say this sum or shall I do? Anyone wants to try this sum? You have to make a as the subject. Anyone wants to give a try? Okay, children. No one means okay, you wish. This, if it comes here, it will become minus. S minus ut is equal to half a t square. Whenever you want to make anything as a subject, that one you should keep on one side. Remaining all things you have to bring the other side. 2 will go up. Yeah, 2 will go up, children. So 2 into s minus ut is equal to a t square. A is the subject, so t square will come down, children. So a is equal to 2 into s minus ut by t square. That's it, children. Simple. You should know the basics of the sums. That's all. If you know the basics, you can do any sum, children. 60-second sum, children. You have to make r as a subject, children. R as a subject. So 60-second sum here I'm showing. A is equal to 1 plus r by 1 plus mm, r by n whole to the power of nt. Whole to the power of nt. Okay, children, we have to make r as a subject. So p is there, children. I forgot. See, please, in the question, p is there. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of n time t is there, children. Okay, so how to do this sum? First, here p into no, children. If it comes here, it will become division. So a by p is equal to 1 plus r by n to the power of nt. Okay, children. So, children, listen, try to understand. Try to understand. If suppose whole square is there, if suppose, then if it be, if I remove the square, here it will become root. If suppose whole to the power of 3 is there, here if I remove 3, here it will become cube root. If suppose 4 is there, here if I remove 4, here it will become fourth root. But since nt is there, here if I remove nt, children, here what happens? Here nt root a by p will get, children. A by p is equal to 1 plus r by n. Okay, children? Now bring the only one here, children. Only one here. When you bring only one here, what happens? Nt to the power of a by p minus 1 is equal to r by n. Since we want r as a subject, you should keep r alone. Bring n also this side, children. So n into nt root of a by p minus 1 is equal to r, like this. Okay, children? Check, children. If you have any doubts, you please let me know slowly, softly. You can ask me. 63rd sum, children. 63rd sum I'm saying. All of you see. Make in t is equal to 2 pi root of L by G. Make what as a subject? G as a subject. Anyone wants to give a try or shall I do?
Can I try, sir?
Yeah, no, tell.
Sir, t is equal to t by 2p is equal to root L by G.
Okay, so 2 pi you want to bring down. Okay, very good, fantastic. 2 pi you bring L by G. Okay.
T by 2p whole square is equal to L by G.
Very good. Root if you remove here, it will become square, children. Very good, fantastic, Vedant. Fantastic. Whole square is equal to L by G. Now,
T by 2p whole square, L will go down, sir.
so children, 2 pi reverse.
4 pi square by L.
Reverse both the sides. This also reverse, this also reverse. And now you bring L here. Now you bring L here. So G is equal to 2 pi whole square. Nana, mute your audio. Very good, fantastic, Nana. 4 pi square L by G is the answer. G only, no? Sorry. 4 pi square L by T is the answer. That's all. Fantastic. So
T square, sir.
T square, yeah, T square. 4 pi square L came up by T square. Very good. Like that. Okay. Next one, children. Next one. Basics, you should be very strong, children. If you are not strong in the basics, you will find so much difficulty in doing remaining sums. 64th sum, I'm telling children, all of you please check 64th sum. N in K.
5th sum, sir.
Okay, whatever it may be. Next sum is coming as N in, we have to make N as a subject in K is equal to 3N plus 2 by N plus 1. Anyone wants to give a try?
So can I say
Tell them.
cross multiplication we need to do. So kn plus k is equal to
Kn plus K is equal to
3n plus 2.
okay. Bring
Kn
all
minus 3n is equal to
okay. Bring all n's on one side. Very good. Kn minus 3n is equal to 2 minus K.
2 minus k.
Okay.
And we need to take n common. So kn is equal to 2 minus k.
That's all, children. Because n is a subject, we have to take it as
N
common.
is equal to 2 minus k by k minus 3.
Fantastic. That's all, children. That's all. Like this, you have to make as a subject. Making a subject means you have to bring all the term onto one side. That's all, children. That is a basic understanding. If you know that only, then you can find out the coordinates in the graphs also, children. If not, which one to make a subject, you will find a lot of difficulty. Okay, anyway, children, next sum. B is equal to x minus 3 by x minus 4. X is a subject. Anyone wants to give a try? I want x as a subject. Anyone wants to give a try?
So can I say?
Can I try, sir?
Can I?
No, Vedant.
Can I?
Vikram, you tell.
So we have to take x up, cross multiply.
Okay.
Bx minus 4b
Is equal to
x minus 3.
bring all x's on one side.
Yes, sir. X into b minus 4.
Bx minus x is equal to 4b minus 3.
4b minus
Take
x.
common.
Sir, x into b. X into b.
Okay, now mute your audio. So children, x you take common, b minus 1. Then bring minus 1 down. So x is equal to 4b minus 3 by b minus 1. That's all, children. This is how we have to do. Okay, next one, children, 66th sum. 66th sum. We have to make t as a subject in p is equal to 3 minus 2t by 4 plus 2t. 4 plus t. Anyone wants to give a try this one? T as a subject.
So can I say?
You told Nana. Anyone else? Anyone else? Fast children, anyone else? Anyone else wants to give a try? Cross multiplication you have to do. That's all, children. Cross multiplication, bring t's to one side, take t as common, and bring other numbers to one side. That's all. 4 steps. Anyone?
Sir, can I try?
Yes, no, try Emma. If you try, I will help. No problem.
Cross multiplication.
Yeah, p into
4 plus t is equals to
okay 3
3 minus 2t
okay
uh, 4p plus pt is equals to 3 minus 2t.
Okay. Bring all t's one side.
Uh, 2t tp minus 2t is equals to 4p
3
minus
4.
3
Okay. So can you take t common?
p plus 2
Okay. Okay. P plus 2 is equal to 3 minus 4p. Next.
4p p plus 2 t is equals to 3 minus 4p by 3 plus 2
Very good.
p
Because
plus 2.
here into, so there it becomes division. That's all. If you try, you will get. If you don't try, if you don't get also, I will help you. But if you sit quietly, you will never get it. Remember that. 67th sum. 67th sum. I want x as a subject. Children, 67th sum. I think these numbers I have to common. 2x plus 1 by 3 minus x. Anyone wants to give a try? New student? Any other student?
Sir Neeraj.
Yeah, no, please, Dana. Yes.
Have to bring the denominator
Okay.
y into 3 minus x
Okay. You keep on
is
telling.
equal to 3 minus x is equal to 2x plus 1.
Okay.
3y minus xy
Mm.
is equal to 2x plus 1.
Okay. Bring all x's onto one side.
Yes, sir. X all to one side.
Okay. Take x as common. If you take x as common, 2 plus
2 plus y.
this will come down because x is a subject. No? So 3y minus 1 by
2x plus y. 2 plus y, sorry.
Very
Is
good.
equal to
Very
x.
good. No problem, Mama. You should try. If you try, I will help you. No problem. Absolutely. Very good. You have tried. Next one. Anyone wants to give a try, children? This is C. I want a root.
Can I say
Yeah, no. 1 second. C as a
root a
subject.
is equal to?
Sir,
Root
can
A.
I?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
can I? Root a
Who?
is equal to
Okay. Okay.
b plus c by d.
BD you have to take LCM.
Okay, bd.
Okay, another method also is there. If you want.
D only, sir.
Okay, D only, no? D as the LCM. I take D as LCM and tell me.
B plus c.
B plus C. Okay.
D into
D root A is equal to
d root a is equal to b plus c. C is equal to d root a minus b.
C is equal to D root A minus B. Okay, very good. Fantastic. Next one, children. Next sum. What is the next sum? I want to make again T as a subject, children. Anyone wants to give a try? Vedant, tell me.
No.
Tell from the time you're asking. Okay. P is equal to T root of T minus 3 by T. Okay, tell me. Vedant. T is the subject.
P square is equal to T minus 3 by T.
Very good. Root if it comes here, P square. P square is equal to T minus 3 by T.
TP square is equal to T minus 3.
TP square is equal to T minus 3.
TP square plus 3 is equal to T.
No. All T's on one side. Bring all T's onto one side. So
P
this I will
square minus T is equal to minus 3.
T minus TP square. Okay. Take all T's on one side. Take T common.
Into P square minus 1 minus P square.
Okay. 1 minus P square. Okay.
T is equal to 3 by 1 minus P square.
1 minus P square. That's fantastic. Very good. See Nana, how nicely he's saying. He's a enthusiast fellow. In spite of that, nicely he's saying. Everyone should try Nana. If you try, you will get. Okay. So P is equal to T minus 3. Okay. Next one. I want A, B, G. Each one I want as a subject I wrote. There is
So can I say
Nana. Who is that?
Nandika, sir?
Nana, how many times you will tell Nana? You will not give others chance. Okay, I know because others are not telling. You want to say.
Sir,
I know.
move this. Sir,
You
నేను
know.
చెప్తాను సార్ సాహస్
Nana, very good. Check
సార్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అటువైపు మూవ్ చేయాలి సార్
Okay. Okay. Then what?
టీ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు బి ప్లస్ ఏ మైనస్ జీ బై జీ
T square is equal to B plus A by G. Okay. First, what you are making a subject? Can you please tell me? A. First, you make A as the subject.
సార్ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ద ఫోన్ విత్ మీ సార్
Okay. Make A as the subject. One time A, one time B, one time G.
Okay, sir.
Bring this here.
So t square G is equal to B plus A.
What
A
is
is
A?
equal to GT square by B.
Minus
B.
Suppose I want B means
GT square minus A.
GT square minus A. Very good. Suppose I want G means
B plus A by T
Then
square.
it will be G is equal to
B plus A by T square.
B plus A by T square.
fantastic. Very good, Sahas. Without phone also you are telling means very good. Okay, Nana. Next, who will tell R is equal to cube root of
Sir, I will say, sir.
3v
Sir,
by
can I
4.
say?
Vivek, you didn't tell only, no? Till now, you tell.
Yes, sir. R cube is equal to 3v by 4 pi.
Yeah, cube root, if it comes here, R cube, children. R cube is equal to 3v by 4 pi. Now, what you are making subject, can you tell V? Okay.
Yes, sir. V subject. Then we should take 4 pi up. Then it will become 4 pi R cube is equal to 3v. Then take 3 down. Then it become 4 pi R cube by 3 is equal to V.
Okay, fantastic. Then, Yashasvi, you are asking me just now? Yashasvi, is that you? You are asking me?
No, sir.
No, then you tell that. P is
Okay,
equal
sir.
to 2 minus x square by 3 minus x square. I want x as a subject. Tell me x.
Sir, you have to bring 3 minus x square to P. You have to multiply P into 3 minus x square is equal to 2 minus x square.
Okay.
So Px minus x square.
Okay.
Px square minus x square is equal to 3p minus 2.
Okay.
So you have to
P minus 1. Tell. P minus 1 will come down.
x is equal to 3p minus 2 by p minus 1.
Now x is equal to, only x should be there. X is equal to?
X is equal to root p 3p minus 2.
Very good. You should try. Last one, who will say? Last
Sir,
one.
Neeraj.
No. Lahari, tell me last time W is equal to under root of x minus 2 by x plus 1.
Root will become square.
Okay, tell me, keep telling. W square is equal to?
X minus 2 by x plus.
Okay, cross
W square x
Okay,
plus W square equals x minus 2.
okay, this here.
W square we take x common.
Okay,
W square minus 1
okay,
minus 2 minus W square.
okay.
X equals minus 2 plus W square by W square minus 1.
Very fantastic. Like this you should do, children. Okay, once you check, children, any sum you want me to do again? Any sum you want me to do? Any sum, children? You check all the sums. Any sum you want me to do? 38th sum, children. 38th. Once check all of the 38th sum. 38th. Srihita, tell me 38th sum. How to do 38th?
Can I see?
K is equal to wth root of 5 minus v square. If suppose 3 is there here, it will become cube. 4 is there here, it will become 4th power. W is there means what it will become? K to the power of? Srihita, are you there?
U.
Yeah, anyone? K to the power of?
W, sir. K to the
W, sir.
K to the power W is equal to 5 minus v square. Okay. Now I want v as a subject. So v square will come down. This will go there. V square is equal to k to the power of W. 5 minus k to the power of W. So v is equal to under root of 5 minus k to the power of W is the answer. Okay, children. Yeah, I want children. Next one also 1 by f u as a subject in 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Who will tell?
Sir, can I see?
Yeah, tell.
What is the subject, sir?
You as a subject. You should be the subject.
Sir, minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by v.
This you bring here, this you take here. So 1 by u is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f.
1 by f. And then
1 by u is equal to fv is the LCM.
1
Okay, I will tell. See here, all of you. FV is the LCM, children. FV. VV gone. VV gone. F will come up.
minus v by
Okay.
fv.
V, children. Okay. So now I want you as a subject. So you should come up. If u is coming up, this also gets reciprocal. FV by F
FV by
minus
F
V.
minus v.
F minus V. Okay, children. Last sum. After this, we'll stop. Okay, children. Last sum. Where I will say one sum. Which sum you want me to say? We will do. Yes, children, any of your favorite choices there? Okay. Okay, 40 seconds some will do, children. Not 40 seconds. 41 will do, children. 41. Nandita, 41.
right
You...
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, tell. 41. Tell.
Y is equal to 5 into root 3 minus x square.
Okay.
So y by 5 is equal to root 3 minus x square.
Okay.
Y by 5 whole square is equal to 3 minus x square.
Okay.
Y square by 25 is equal to
Okay.
3 minus x square.
Okay. Next one.
So y square by 25.
X square is the subject. So this you bring here. This
Y
whole
square,
thing
x square we need to, x square is equal to y square by 25 minus 3.
No. 3 minus y square by 25. 3 minus.
Oh,
This
sorry,
comes-
sir. Sorry.
So x square is going to take the.
So x is equal to root. Sir, x. Okay.
Now apply.
Sir, x is equal to
Root of
root 75 minus y square by 25.
x is equal to.
X is equal to root of 75 minus y square by 5.
Fantastic. That's it, children. Okay, children. Anyone have
We can
any-
remove square for y now, sir.
What am I? White? No, you can't remove. When there is subtraction here, you can't remove. If into is there, you can remove, Nana.
Okay, sir.
If see, 75 into y square is there means yes, root 75 into y it will become. But minus is there, plus is there, you can't. Individually, you can't remove. No way. Against mathematics laws. Okay, children. If you have any doubt, you please let me know still.